Hi, good evening. Today I'm back with another topic. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, and this comes under vocabulary. So this topic is specifically for those who want to improve your speaking skills and writing skills, right? So before we get to the topic, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and you will be notified with all latest videos every week. And yeah, with this, let's get into the topic today. Today I'm going to speak about keywords. Right now, you should know what keywords are. You should already be knowing it, but then I would like to give a small intro about what keywords are. Keywords are key terms or terminologies which we use in certain fields. I mean, like, it's there with every field, but then when it comes to writing or speaking on any topic, then you require keywords specifically relevant to those topics, right? So keywords are very prominent in SEO, right? Like search engine optimization. Now, if you want to rank your website or if you want to rank a particular article or your blog, now you have to use keywords in such a manner that Google will rank it. Okay, so it's a completely, like a technical topic. I mean, it's not too technical, anybody can learn it, but then there are a lot of softwares and there are a lot of techniques which you have to apply in case you want to learn keyword optimization. Right now, what I'm going to speak today is something related to vocabulary. Right, so whenever you want to speak or when you want to write, okay, on a topic, you have to use certain terminologies, and when you use these terminologies in your content, what happens is that people who are listening to you or reading your writing, they would come to an understanding that you have a very good idea about the subject, right? So it could be impressive if you use words which are very much related to the topic that you're going to speak, right? For this, the must is you have to read a lot, right? Unless you read, you will not be aware about the keywords which we are supposed to use, right? For example, I would say if you're going to write about global warming, then you need to know key terms related to global warming or environment, right? So unless you know those words, you cannot put it, in a beautiful manner in the content that you're writing. Okay, so it's like adding flavor to the dish that you're preparing. So unless you add flavors, it's not going to be tasty. So similarly, if you want your language to be impressive, you have to use these keywords and, like idioms or phrases, whatever it is, right? You have to use them to make your language rich. So this is what we are going to, discuss today. And the topic that I've chosen to speak about, I mean, like, to tell you, is Taj Mahal. Now, Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world, and it's a heritage site in India, right? So there are so many things that we could speak about Taj Mahal. Now, the activity part, what I want you to do is, like, you think about Taj Mahal. So, the picture comes to your mind, right? And when you think about Taj Mahal, just note down the words that you are able to relate to Taj Mahal. Note down all those words in a piece of paper before you can proceed to the, to this video. I want you to pause it here, right? Note down the words, and then, okay, after that, try to relate the words which you have written on the paper with those that I'll be showing you right now. Okay, so it's important that you have to pause the video here and take it as an activity, right? So you can pause it here now and then start writing the words that comes to your mind when you think about Taj Mahal, right? So please note it down and then you can continue with the video. Okay. Yes. So, yeah, once you have done it, now you can play this video again. So you can, relate the words which you have written and the words which I'm going to show you in this video, right? Now, it's not, it's not something that I want you to compare. I don't want you to compare. Basically, we cannot put any restrictions when we, think about keywords. The keywords which I may think, okay, and what you are thinking could be very different, right? You can write more than me, you can write better than me, You understand? You can write keywords which I have not mentioned in this video. So the probability or possibility of arriving at the right keywords is very different based on individual capabilities. Okay, so but the basic thing that we have to understand is there could be some common keywords which we both may have used, right? So you can note such keywords, right? They are very common to everybody, and whoever thinks about Taj Mahal will definitely think about such vocabulary, right? And for those who are getting in depth about writing on Taj Mahal, say for example somebody who writes a article on architecture of Taj Mahal, he may use more technical words than what we have used in the writing or speaking, right? So that's too much like domain specific. No, that's kind of a research article where they have to get in depth. So the keywords that such a person would use would be very different from what we have used. Here I've only brought you out the major keywords which like you and me, people like us, think about, right, when they want to communicate something, right, either in writing or speaking. Now, why these keywords are very important? It's because without these keywords, your content will not be impressive, right? So you have to know how to use keywords. Keywords are kind of terminologies which makes your writing or speaking better than how it should be, right? So this is the benefit of writing or taking up keywords and using in your communication. Now I hope you have understood the importance of keywords. Now I want you to check out certain keywords which I have like just like I've kind of written in my video. So you can look at these keywords and get an idea about like whenever you want to write something about Taj Mahal or speak something about Taj Mahal, you can make use of these keywords and you can add as much as you want, okay, based on what you are speaking or writing. I mean the topic that you're going to speak about, right? So similarly, if you take up any topics, you can use such keywords to make your communication more impressive. So I'm going to take up common topics and I'm going to provide you with all necessary keywords every week so that you can use it in your activities. Like for example, if you have a presentation and you're supposed to speak about something, you can make use of these keywords, right? So like I strongly believe that this videos such as this would really help you to learn about terms on specific disciplines or subjects, right? Thank you so much for joining.